This plant is known by botanists as Gliricidia sepium. Gliricidia is a medium-sized leguminous tree belonging to the family Fabaceae, native to seasonal dry forest areas of Mexico and Central America, namely, Belize, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras and Nicaragua. It is now widely distributed in tropical Americas, the Caribbean, Africa, Asia and the Pacific Islands. Some popular common names of the plant are Gliricidia, Mexican lilac, mother of cocoa, Nicaraguan cacao shade, quick stick, St. Vincent plum, tree of iron, forest lilac, Nicaraguan coffee shade and quick stick. It is commonly known as Piñon Cubano in the Dominican Republic, Madreado in Honduras, Kakawate in the Philippines, Madre Cacao or Madre de Cacao in the Philippines and Guatemala, and Madero negro in Nicaragua. The name Gliricidia derives from the Lain glis means dormouse and caedere means to kill. The Spanish name Madreado refers to the tree's rodenticial properties. It is considered as the second most important multi-purpose legume tree, surpassed only by Leuca and Leucocephala. The tree is used in many tropical and subtropical countries for various purposes such as live fencing, fodder, coffee shade, firewood, green manure and rat poison. Gliricidia can be intercropped with maize. Its effect is that of a potent fertilizer. Sepium is also used for its medicinal and insect repellent properties. Farmers in Latin America often wash their livestock with a paste made of crushed sepium leaves to ward off tussilors. In the Philippines, the extract obtained from its leaves is used to remove external parasites. Gliricidia is a small to medium-sized, thornless, deciduous, single or multiple stem tree that grows about 10 to 12 meters tall with smooth, weakly fissured, whitish-gray to deep red-brown bark and a trunk diameter of 30 centimeters at breast height, dBH. The plant is found growing in dry to wet hillsides and thickets or in forests of the plains, often in pastures or along roadsides, frequent in second growth or in fields or pastures. The plant is adaptable to a wide range of soil types on sands, heavy clays and slightly alkaline, calcareous limestone soils but does best in well-drained soils. Gliricidia detests wet or waterlogged soils. The stem and branches are commonly flecked with small lentils. Trees display spreading crowns. The flowers are borne on erect, 2 to 15 centimeters long racemes arising from leaf axils, or on leafless nodes of older stems with almost synchronous maturation of 3100 flowers on a single inflorescence. The flowers are typical of papilionoid legumes, borne on short 5 to 11 millimeters long slender pedicels, 2 centimeters long, with a 5-lobed campanulate, bell-shaped, calyx and a typical pea-shaped whitish-pink or purple corolla with 5 strongly unequal petals. The standard petal is light pink, or pink with a deep yellow basal blotch, and the blade is reflexed at 180 degrees when the flower is fully open. The wing and keel petals are also usually pink. There are 10 whitish stamens, 9 united into a tube and 1 free. Flower is followed by pods that are 10 to 17 centimeters long and 1.4 to 2.2 centimeters wide, strongly compressed. Fruits appears in green or tinged reddish purple occasionally at unripe condition, while in ripened condition they appear in light yellow-brown and looks like round in shape and opening explosively when dry with the pod valves twisting into tight spirals after dehiscence. There are 3 10 lenticular, rounds or elliptic, yellow-brown, darker orange-brown, seeds per pod, 8.5 to 11.5 millimeters in diameter. According to World Agroforestry Center, this species is becoming an important part of farming practices in Africa. Sepium has a combination of desirable properties. Because it fixes nitrogen in the soil, it boosts crop yields significantly without the expense of chemical fertilizers. In addition, it tolerates being cut back to crop height year after year. The trees go into a dormant state when they are cut back, so the root system is not competing straight away for the nutrients, and the crop is free to become established. The trees only really start to come out of the dormant phase when the crop is already tall. Please like, share and subscribe.